So 11th question is, if the function f is r given in Rb given by fx is equals to x square plus 2 and g is given by r into Rb given by gx is equals to x divided by x minus 1, whereas x is not equals to 1. Find the function of gx and gx of function f, and hence find f of g2 and g of minus 3. So let's jump into the answer. So the solution will be, this is given the f equation and the g equation. So f of g is equals to f, the function of gx, in the function of x. So we get f x divided by x minus 1. We just put the value of gx equation. So we get x square, x by x minus 1 square plus 2. In putting in this equation of fx, we get this. So after solving this equation, we get x square divided by x minus 1 whole square plus 2. After that, further solving, x square plus 2 x minus 1 का whole square divided by x minus 1 का whole square. Further solving, we get x square plus 2x square minus 4x plus 2 x minus 1 whole square. Further solving, we get 3x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 square. After further solving this, we get the f of g. We get g x square plus 2. We get x square plus 2 x square plus 2 minus 1 is equals to x square plus 2 x square plus 1. Further solving, we get this equation from this. After that, we further solve 1 plus 1 by x square, which is equals to. So we get, after putting the value of f of g to x is equals to 2, we get 3x square minus 4 by 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. 2 minus 1 by square, which is equals to 6. We get the value of this f of g 2, and g of f minus 3 we get 1 plus 1 by we put x values is equals to minus 3, which is equals to, we get 11 by 10, which we can write it as 1 into 1 plus by 10. So this is the answer. Thank you.